All right, welcome back, everybody. This is week two of my investment journey. I started investing last week since it was part of my New Year's resolution. I initially got started with $1,000, and this week I deposited additional $500 as I saw market going down. If we look at the S&P 500 graph here, I pretty much started investing around this time when market was at its peak, and then since then the market has gone down, and this is when I saw the market started going down. So I deposited a $500 probably here. So now things are starting to pick up, but if you see here, I'm still $1 down. But I think I made a right decision by depositing additional dollars this week. When the news came out about the assassination of Hassan Soleimani, I guess the entire market panicked and it went down by quite a lot. But as you can see, it pretty much quickly picked back up. S&P 500 almost went up by 50%. So did Dow Jones and Nasdaq. So all in all, I think I made a good decision by depositing additional $500. As far as my portfolio goes, I think I'm pretty well diversified. I have about almost 30% on real estate because I want to build up my portfolio as fast as possible. And real estate is the biggest sector that pays the biggest amount of dividend. As you can see, it's been less than a week, I guess 1 week exactly, but I've already made 19 cents on dividend, which I'm super proud on. I don't know how that happened. I guess the ex dividend date was right on the cuffs there. So I'm really happy about that. Anyway, I have 30% on real estate and I have about 18% on bonds and ETF. If you guys want to look at my individual holdings, I'll leave a link in the description below to this buy, and you guys can go ahead and check out individual stocks. As far as the holdings and the pies in this portfolio, I got this I got the starting point from a guy named Joseph Carlson. He has his own YouTube channel, and I really liked his idea of creating a pies within a pie, so it was easier for us to track. So I copied his idea, and I even copied his pie so I can use it. As far as the holding goes, I have some of the similar holdings as he does, and some of them are different. But in this video, I want to talk about why I chose M1 Finance rather than, let's say, Robinhood or other brokerages. Okay, first of all, let's draw a simple pros and cons graph to make it simpler. All right, let me draw. First, let's do pro. It's too small. Number one pro, as always, is it's free, meaning we don't have to pay any money when we buy or sell stock. It's commission free. We like it. It's free. But so is Robinhood or so is Webull. How does it make a difference? Number two is the buy. I really like the function in M1 Finance where you could just look at the pie and see how much you gained, how much you lost over a certain period of time. It's right on your face. You don't have to dig through and go inside each holdings and look through them to find out, which is very, very brilliant. Number three is the drift, or I should say auto drift, meaning that it will automatically reinvest your dividend as long as you have more than $10. Here, all you have to do is turn on auto invest, which is awesome. for someone who doesn't have the time to go through each of the stock and buy it each time. And doesn't matter whether the money is earned from a dividend or the money is deposited by you, as long as you have more than $10, it will automatically invest it for you. It will find the most underweighted stock and deposit your money. Which brings me to number 4, which is fractional shares. Unlike Robinhood, I like Robinhood, trust me, I use it frequently. But unlike Robinhood, in this M1 finance brokerage, you're able to buy fractional share. That's why I'm able to have this. If I go here to my pie and here, that's why I'm able to have 48 holdings in my portfolio and still fund them, put a little bit of money on them with a $1,500, which would simply not be possible if you were using something like, let's say, Robinhood. They have promised that they would come out with fractional shares sometime this year, but until then, I'm going to stick with M1 Finance. So that's it. These 4 are the main pros of this brokerage. Now, they also have few cons. Number 1, trades once a day, meaning you're only allowed to trade once a day. So unlike Robinhood, you're not able to make multiple trades on same day. Now you can deposit like $1,000 or even $10, and it will automatically buy all 48 shares for you. But if you want to go ahead and individually buy a couple stocks, you wouldn't be able to do it in the same day. Going along with that, number 2 is the waiting period. Now I still don't know how this works. On Monday when I deposited $500, it said trade pending, and it only bought those stocks on Tuesday. So I don't know if it bought when I deposited it, or I don't know if it bought it on Tuesday when the market was a little bit high. So this is where I like Robinhood better, because as soon as you click buy, you're literally able to buy it right then and there. But I feel like M1 Finance really suits my kind of investing. That's why I have stuck with it. I even created my Roth IRA, and I only have, yeah, that's, I deposited $1,000. I'm down what, $4 there as well, which doesn't matter. I just have a couple of ETFs in there. So yeah. Oh, as far as how I track my holdings, I go to seekingalpha.com and I have created these portfolios, and I have put in all of my holdings here. All you have to do is sign up for free. Their their services is free. All you have to do is sign up for free. Go to portfolio, create a portfolio, and here add a symbol. I don't know. Oh, and then just comes up, and then hit add, and you'll be able to see all of your holdings right here. Yeah. Other than that, I don't have anything else. Let me know if you guys want to know anything specific. I will try to answer as much as possible. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will leave Joseph Carlson's YouTube, which I think is a very useful resources for you guys if you guys want to check it out. But that's all I have for you today. Subscribe if you guys want to see more of my videos. If not, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.